Decided to take a ride to Hot Grill. There's a lot of people on the hill. Looks like all the snow blew off the hill. Well, it's going Hot Grill. The sale's still going on. Buy one, get one free. There you go. See if Scott's in there. I don't know where he is.
Thank you.
Thank you, boss.
Right. Sled parking only. Sled parking only at Hot Grill. All right. I don't know where you went. Oh. Okay, did you order yet? No?
These are my friends.
What?
Pretty much everyone in here is my friend.
Oh, okay. You order yet? Come on.
No.
Your friends? What are they doing?
This is my dad.
Hi, Scott's dad.
Oh, hi. You know what you want? Are they all right?
Yeah, they're fine. Stop filming.
No, I gotta get Hot Grill before I go.
That's it, right, sir?
That's it.
Hey.
Yeah.
Good, how are you doing?
Let me have 2 cheeseburgers all the way. What do you want?
4 hot dogs.
Four Texas wieners all the way. Frenchie well done.
And cheese fries.
And a cheese fry. You want it well done?
It's fine.
Fine, regular. For here. Oh, they got a new thing of shirts in.
My dad's moving, so now he's filming everything.
How you doing?
How's it going?
All right.
My hands are frozen.
Yeah, I can imagine. How come all the snow blew off the hill? What happened?
I was sad.
Yeah, it don't look too good.
It still worked. There's 3. I was sitting next to Mo, and there's the one who goes If not, you can get the food.
What do you want in your fries? What do you want in your fries? He wants to know.
Take care, man.
Just cheese.
Happy New Year. You too. Happy New Year. Take care.
You want cream?
How's it going, buddy?
All right.
All set, right?
Yeah. What do we got?
Got 2 hot dogs, 1 cheeseburger, 1 fry, $10.59.
All right.